So if you're looking for the best AI side hustle to start in 2026, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to build an entire online store that basically runs itself. And I'm not talking about spending weeks setting this up. In just a few minutes, this AI tool is going to pick products for you, design the store, write all the descriptions, and then later it'll even handle the order fulfillment for you automatically. So let me show you exactly how this works and how you can get started with it right now. So what I'm going to introduce you to in this video is an entire AI stack that is going to make all of this possible. And that all starts with this tool right here called Build Your Store. Now, the CEO of Build Your Store, Lior, created this tool to make it incredibly simple for anyone to start an automated Shopify store with AI. And when he reached out to me about sponsoring this video, I said yes, as long as you make Build Your Store free for my audience, and unbelievably, he was generous and he agreed to that. So if you want to follow along with me and use Build Your Store for free, make sure to click the first link down below in the description. As soon as you click on that link in the description, you'll land on this page right here. And we'll go ahead and go through this together so I can show you how to actually get set up. So you'll want to click on this big button right here that says Build My Free Store. Next, put in your details like your name and email address and choose a password and then click on Sign Up. Now, the first choice you have to make is which niche you want to sell in. In other words, what category of items do you want to sell in your new store? There are a few choices here, but if you're not sure which one you want to go with, you can just click on I'm not sure. In this case, though, I'm going to select electronics and gadgets and then click on Done. And then you'll be able to choose the banners for your homepage. So these are going to appear at the top of the page when people first visit your website. And you want to go ahead and select two of these. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one and click on Done. After that, you'll need to actually create the Shopify account that is going to be used to build your store out. So to do that, just click this button right here that says Access Shopify, and go ahead and enter in your email to get started. And you'll notice right here that when you sign up through this link, you're going to get 3 days completely for free. And then it's only going to cost you $1 a month for your first 3 months. So very inexpensive to get started and to try this out. So I'll go ahead and enter in my email and click on Next. Now let's finish setting up our Shopify account by picking a password and click on Create Shopify Account. And then we'll enter in our credit card details that are going to be used once that trial charges us the $1 for our first month. Next, you have to choose which plan you want to sign up for. Again, you're still getting the 3-day free trial and you're still getting $1 a month for your first 3 months. But then after that, you're going to get charged for whichever plan you sign up for. I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the basic plan right here. And then I'll go ahead and enter in all of my business address details and then click on Save Business Address. After that, Shopify is going to ask you some questions. You can skip all of these. Just click right here where it says Skip Customize Setup, because Build Your Store is going to do all that for you. Now, once you're on this page, you don't have to do anything except grab the URL up here at the top. After you copy that down, return back to Build Your Store, click on Done, and then we'll go ahead and paste in this URL and click on Save. So now we have just linked Build Your Store to Shopify. I'll click on Done again. And this is saying grab your Shopify discount. We actually already did that because we clicked on the button earlier. So just to kind of clear this out, all you have to do is click where it says Access Shopify, come back to Build Your Store and click on Done. Now we'll need to install the Build Your Store app on Shopify so it can actually create the store for you on your behalf. So to do that is very simple. Just click here where it says Install App, then go ahead and click Install again. And that step is now complete. So now you have two different choices. You can either get the free beginner store from Build Your Store that will include a Shopify theme, 2 pre-designed banners, and 10 preloaded products. However, if you want handpicked products and psychology-driven copy and optimized product funnels, then you want to go ahead and select this choice on the right. It's only $97 to get all that set up for you. I'm going to go ahead and choose the free beginner store though and click on Continue. Now real quick, we'll just click where it says Customize My Store, and now Build Your Store is actually building out your website for you on Shopify. You don't have to do anything. It is now complete. So to actually see this though, we have to now add some products into our store, because even though the framework's built out, we don't actually have the products in our store yet. So to do that, we're going to use another app called AutoDS. So let's scroll down right here to the button that says register to AutoDS. And let's go ahead and set up an account. You can do that by putting in your email address, your name, your password, and click on join now. Now here's asking you which selling channel you're going to be using. Obviously, we're going to choose Shopify for this. But if you didn't know, AutoDS also lets you sell on other marketplaces as well. So down the line, you could also sell on eBay or Amazon or Wix even, or some other websites as well. But after you choose Shopify, it's then going to ask you to choose your AutoDS package. Now, again, you are signing up for a 99-cent trial, but after that, you want to make sure you have the correct package selected. Do not choose the import plan, because if you'll notice right here, the import plan does not include price and stock monitoring. So what that means is that if the price changes on your supplier's website, then the price will not automatically be updated in your Shopify store. And same thing with the stock levels. So to make sure you have that automation, you want to start with the starter plan right here. So I'm going to select starter 500, start now for 99 cents. Now from here, we'll just go ahead and enter in our credit card details and click on continue. Okay, next AutoDS is going to ask how you heard about them. So just go ahead and select YouTube and type in my name, Paul Lipsky, and click on continue. Then it says, which type of products do you want to sell? I suggest you choose the same thing you selected when you started using Build Your Store, which for me was electronics and gadgets, and then I'll click on continue. Now for your main goals, I actually suggest you select all of these and then click on continue. Next, we have to link up your Shopify account with AutoDS so it can find products and add them to your Shopify account. And in addition to that, do all the automation on the back end. So select right here where it says I have a Shopify store already. Click on continue. Go ahead and install the AutoDS app into Shopify, confirm it, and that will then take you back to AutoDS. And now you are logged into your AutoDS dashboard. Now we're not going to do anything inside of AutoDS quite yet. We are first going to return back to Build Your Store and click on Done. You'll see now that your Shopify store is now live and it is completely set up for you and ready to start using. So to actually see it, click right here where it says Store Password. You'll notice at the top that it is password protected, so go ahead and toggle that off. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Save. And then there'll be a button up here that says View Store. Go ahead and click on that. And this right here is your brand new Shopify store, completely built for you by AI. You'll notice both the headers at the top that we selected when we set up the store. You'll notice that it added products and sales copy for your store as well. Here's a nice big video here and some client testimonials down here, as well as a contact form. So scrolling up, you can actually click right here where it says Shop Now. See all the products that are for sale here. We can go to the full catalog to see all of them. Yeah, so this is a fully functional, well thought out website, completely built for you on Shopify and backed by AutoDS. So there are already products in here ready for people to purchase. If you want to add more of them, you can come over to AutoDS, find some products here. They have a whole bunch of different tools to do that, like handpicked products or AdSpy. And if you like any of them, you can just click on import and those would be added into your store automatically. On the back end here, if any of these items go out of stock, or rather any of the items in your store, like these ones go out of stock, then what's going to happen is they're automatically going to go out of stock in your Shopify store so that you don't accidentally sell an item that you can't fulfill. And speaking of fulfillment, once someone actually buys these items from you on Shopify, AutoDS is actually going to automatically order them for you. You'll be able to see all those inside your order section, and they will automatically order them and ship them to the customers completely hands-off for you. So really the missing final piece is, how do you get customers to actually visit your website? And for that, we have a solution as well. So if we return back to Build Your Store, go ahead and just click on Access My Store. That will then clear this out, so you can then click on Done. And now you have the option to create viral AI-generated videos using another tool called Create UGC. So go ahead and click right here where it says Create My First Video. That will then open up Create UGC. So what is this? Well, basically what this is you are able to upload any products. And then these AI influencers are actually going to make videos for you about those products. You can then post those videos on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or X to actually drive traffic to your website. Let me show you an example. So I'm logged into my Create UGC account. I'm going to click right here where it says new video. And then all you have to do is paste in the URL to your product. So coming over here to Shopify, or where is that? Right here, Shopify. This is the product I want to sell. So what I'll do is copy down this URL, go ahead and paste in that link there. And then scrolling down, you can choose which type of video you want to make. You can do video reaction, product in hand, or product in hand with VO3. This is the best option. I'm going to go with that one and click on continue. You'll notice here that it then pulls in the title of the product as well as the description and all the photos of the products. What you want to do is choose one of the images that's going to be used in your video. So I'm going to go ahead and select this pink one right here and click on next. Now we get to choose our video settings. So if you're going to do shorts or anything for Instagram or YouTube short, just go ahead and leave it on general. That will go ahead and select the correct aspect ratio, which is 9:16. Choose your language. I'm going to leave it on English. And I want an 8-second video, but you can make a video as long as 30 seconds. Then go ahead and click on next. And then here you get to choose the avatar that is actually going to talk about your product. So I'm going to select this woman right here, but you'll notice that there are a ton of avatars that you can choose between, but I'll select her and click on next. Create UGC will then supply you with 3 different scripts you can choose between. So here's the first one, here's the second one, and here's the third one. I really like this one right here. So I'll go ahead and select this one and click on next. But if you don't like any of them, you can change this to say whatever you want. You can add pauses if you want. So really, you can totally customize this the way that you want. Then just go ahead and click on generate and it'll start getting to work. Now over here, you can see it's loading. So let's give it a few minutes and see what it comes up with. And now that it's finished, let's go ahead and watch it together.
Struggling to fall asleep with noise around you? This mini retro speaker's white noise seriously changed my nights. Grab yours now.
So look how super impressive that is. Her lips are totally matching up with exactly what she's saying. She looks super realistic. She's actually holding the product in her hand as well. This is crazy how far AI videos have come. And the fact that you're just able to grab a link and with it create stunning AI UGC videos just like this one. So now you can take these videos and post them to Instagram, Facebook, or even X, and actually drive traffic directly to your Shopify store without actually having to pay any influencers yourself. So there you have it. That's why I think this is the best AI side hustle to start in 2026. The entire process is automated. AI picks the products, builds your store, writes everything, and handles all the order fulfillment. It's honestly one of the most hands-off ways to start an online business that I've ever seen. If you want to try it out for yourself, remember to click that first link in the description down below to get your free access to build your store. They made it super simple to get started, and you can literally have your automated store up and running in under an hour. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.